Hey everyone, remember me? It's been a long time since we've had a chat, so I think I need to do a video that just gives you an update of everything that's gone on, where I'm at, why I've been missing for so long, and what the plan is going forwards. So, those of you that follow along on Instagram will see that my garden has undergone a lot of changes recently. Yeah, late last year we added the fence because we got the puppy, so there's a side of the garden for the puppy and a side for me. And it sort of left the garden looking incomplete and a bit messy because everything that was there, the stream, the deck, was all when the garden was much bigger, and it just didn't really work in the space that we now had. And that's fine. Sometimes this happens and you have to make changes and things adapt. So I left it until spring, and I found a bit of time this year and I got out there and I've filled in the stream. I've completely changed the garden layout, and I'll do a thorough video showing you what's what and what's the plan for the garden. But doing that in limited time meant that it was so much easier to do it with two hands, because as you can see when I'm filming I've only got one because the other hand is operating the camera. So just to get the bulk of the work done, I've done it without filming it, but I will do a video talking you through the process. I've gone for like a lush foliage Balinese style garden. The other reason that I haven't made quite so many videos recently is this greenhouse and the online shop where I sell a lot of the plants that I grow. It's really taken off. The shop Grow Paradise has been fantastic, and the support from you guys is just absolutely immense. I am so grateful that you can find plants that you want to grow in your own patches of paradise, and you can buy them from the shop and I will post them out to you. It's just, I'm blown away by the support, and I absolutely love that plants that I'm growing in my humble little greenhouse here are packed and posted and going all over the UK. It just blows my mind, so thank you for your support. I've only got one day a week to do all the potting up, the sowing of the seeds, the picking the plant orders, maintaining the website. So I'm up at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning to start packing, and it surprises me how long it takes to pack, because I know what condition I would want to receive a plant order in, and I am not going to post plants out that are not packed absolutely perfectly. So I take time and pride in how I pack them. But that time eats into the day, and every single day that I've had off or to do my garden work and the work on the YouTube channel, I tell myself I'm going to do a video and I just haven't got round to it, and I guilt trip myself so much. I've got this huge list of things that I say I'm going to do, and if I don't get round to it I feel guilty because I haven't done the YouTube video, I haven't done this, I haven't done that. But I've taken time just to step back and realise that it's okay. It's okay for the garden to be a mess sometimes. Life gets in the way. It's okay to not achieve everything on the to-do list, and to be honest I need to be a bit more realistic in my expectations of myself. Everybody's patch of paradise is different, and sometimes those patches can get a little bit messy, but it's fine. It's fine. And that brings us nicely onto the next point. The shop name Grow Paradise is one that I absolutely love, because every single person's idea of paradise is different, and that is something we should celebrate. Whereas the name Tropical Tribe, which has served us very well as an online community, don't get me wrong, but it sounds a lot more closed in with a strict set of rules where everything has to be done a certain way, and that's just not the community that we've grown around this YouTube channel. And I think growing paradise and everybody having the freedom and complete safety to grow exactly the sort of garden that they want, and they can chuck in some roses, some native plants, some exotics, flowers, foliage, whatever they want. Grow Paradise is just a name that seems synonymous with everybody being completely safe and kind of able to experiment in their own patch of paradise. So from this video onwards, the Tropical Tribe YouTube channel and Instagram account and Facebook page will all become Grow Paradise. Slowly, because there's annoying limits online as to how many times I can change the name, and I know I've done it quite a few times. So hopefully you lot don't hate me too much for changing it again. but it's all about the ethics of just paradise. Grow your patch of paradise. Keep it unique. Trust yourself to have the flair to add whatever plants you want, to alter some rules that someone's told you. It's okay, you can experiment. And not only is everybody's patch of paradise different, but everybody's available space is different. And I don't just want to cover small tropical style gardens anymore. I'd love to cover exotic balconies, small gardens, big gardens, even house plants, terrariums, just the lot. Anything that involves exotic plants, of course, because it's me, and any other plants that we find beautiful and interesting. They are all going to feature now on the Grow Paradise YouTube channel, shop, blog, Instagram account, and Facebook page. Yeah, it's an exciting change, and I'm just so excited by how much has happened in such a short space of time. Like, it's less than a year ago, I made a video that I shared with you guys saying how I was retraining to be a gardener. And maybe 18 months before that was the first video I made in this garden, telling you what my plan was. And at that point, I didn't work in gardening or horticulture. I hadn't got any qualifications. So it just shows that if you apply yourself to what you want, you can get it. And I intend to keep applying myself. But as I say, being realistic on my expectations so that I can deliver everything that I want and share everything that I can with you guys. Being realistic with myself brings me on to another point. Gardening should be good for your mind and soul and good for your mental well-being. So don't put pressure on yourselves to have things looking absolutely amazing or to have the biggest tree fern on a tropical gardening Facebook page. Like, just go out there and enjoy your space and experiment. And if you see a plant that you like, but it doesn't fit in some imaginary set of guidelines of what you can plant in a tropical or exotic style garden, just buy it. No one's going to mind. Put it in your garden. And then when you're sat there having your cup of tea in your patch of paradise, you can enjoy your favorite plants. Yeah, mental well-being and just looking after yourself is going to be a strong theme in Grow Paradise, because it's been quite close to home for me recently, and throughout kind of the past few years I've met a lot of people that have had to deal with managing their mental well-being, and it is so important. So I just wanted to add that in there. It's an important thing, so look after yourselves, especially after the past year or so that we've had. It's been completely odd and bizarre, and yeah, things can sneak up on you. So just take time to check in, have a cup of tea, and enjoy your garden. Right, there's a bit of an update for you, and it's a bit waffly, but I'd really like to know what you guys would like to see feature on this channel with everything that I've told you now. What sort of videos would you like to see? What how-to guides? Who would you like to see me go and film? Who would you like to see me talk to? I want to do a lot more with other growers. I know I've said this before, but someone chucked a pandemic in the way, so I couldn't get out and about and filming. But things are getting slightly better for the time being, so hopefully we can do more of that. So let me know. This isn't just my channel. This is the channel for everybody that watches this, so your opinion matters. So let me know in the comments below. I know that I am going to do a video guide telling you about some of the plants that I'm growing in the greenhouse, like these beautiful caladiums. Let's have a look at the other side while we're here. Got impatiens, giant cow parsley, more impatiens. Gone a bit impatiens mad in there at the moment. Some air plants at the back. I will also do loads of videos back in the garden. As you can see, it's hot from the sweat on my brow because I've closed the greenhouse door so I can do this video. Now it's hot, I can take all of the plants, the bigger plants that I've been overwintering, out into the garden, and it's given me a lot more space in the greenhouse now, which is great. I feel like I'm in a mansion. Look, oh yeah, all this room. So I will do lots more videos in here about exotic plants, propagating plants from seed and cuttings, how I've got on with my propagator, how I'm getting on growing in coir pots. Look at that, Isn't that cool how the roots just come straight out of the coir and air prune themselves? I have an enormous list of videos that I'm going to work through at a rate that is sensible, and I will share it with you guys. If there is a week when I don't upload a video, I'm sure you all already know about him, but there's this guy on YouTube, George's Jungle Garden, and he is uploading videos at an insane rate, and he has a garden that is just developing so quickly, and he clearly has a love of palm trees. So I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the description. If you need your tropical plant fix and I haven't uploaded, then go and check George out. He seems like a nice guy. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video update, and I look forward to being on the journey as everything changes in the future with you. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and let me know that you're still there and you're still listening. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao.